and welcome to the Art of Becca J. I hope you are well, and So, last year, I found myself feeling more burnt out. I felt burnt out because I kept on working, and I felt like in order for me to become, get my goals and reach my goals, I have to keep on working. I had to keep on working. And I noticed two things that was happening. I never sat back and said, and looked at the fruits of my labor and said, you know what, Becca, you did well. Rebecca, you did amazing. Well done. Rest in it and just enjoy this moment. Because I would do something and then the next thing, I'm on to the next one. I could be on holiday and I'm thinking about like all the things I should be doing instead of being present in that moment, instead of enjoying this moment, instead of saying, you know what, wow, I'm here. Just stepping back and looking at the full picture. I wasn't doing that a lot last year. But this year, it's one of my missions to congratulate myself in every step. And congratulating myself is just enjoying the moment. Not letting it rush past me, not just focus on the next goal while I'm working. Actually, when I was making my magazine last year, I found myself just wanting to get to the end of the process. I remember there was like a video and Amber Riley was quoting Mike Todd, and I can't find Pastor Mike Todd, and I couldn't find him saying it, but I'm going off what she said, and it was about the process of things. And she was saying like, so she was asked, like, why do, especially when it comes to weight loss, why do, people get so fixated on the weight on their goal? And she said, because people are not falling in love with the process. And I was like, it's true. I don't find myself falling in love with the process. I found myself wanting to get to the end. I have the end goal in mind and I'm trying to finish. And I'm not realizing this process, it is like a hallway. It's like this process, do not rush it, because in this process you are learning new things about yourself, you're gaining new skills, and it is a part of life's journey is to go through the process. It is that training ground. If you're so focused on the end result, you're not gonna enjoy it. Once you finish, you're gonna feel so burnt out and tired. Trust and believe. That's how I felt at the end of when I was doing my magazine. At the end of it, I was over it. Like, I was happy it was done, but I was over it because I didn't enjoy the process as I should, because I was so fixated on getting to the end. And because I was fixated on getting to the end, everything felt longer. It felt like it was just draining. But if I just sat back, enjoyed the process, enjoy what I was doing, I think my launch would have been better. But I was so fixated on getting it done. I just like, it's done, it's out. But the process is where you learn. The process is where you grow. If you want to become, that girl in 2024, if you want to become, your full self, if you want to become that CEO, that boss, if you just want to be that great mother, if you want to, whatever it is, that's your goal, enjoy the process. The goal, the reward, the fruits of your labor are great. But it is the process that you need to enjoy. And in that process, make sure to congratulate yourself. Make sure to step back and say, you know what, today, even though I wanted to do this magazine, but I organized my articles. Today, I reached out to all the businesses and they got back to me. That's a tick. That's an achievement. Well done. You did that. Nobody can take that away from you. You did that. So I want to encourage you throughout this year, while you're going for your goals, going for your dreams, or just enjoying life, make sure to enjoy the process. Don't rush the process. It's like many people say, once they have their children and they're older, they're kind of like, when they have their babies and they get to like a certain age where they're a bit independent, a lot of parents will say, oh, you know what, I wish I can go back and go back to when they were younger and just enjoy that time when they were little and enjoy that process, because I was so fixated on getting them past it that I didn't take the time to sit, soak, relax, rest, and just take it in, because you're not going to get that moment again. And I'm going to make more magazines, I'm going to do more things, but I'm not going to ever feel that buzz of my first one. Do you know what I mean? Learn from me, guys. Enjoy the process. Enjoy it. If it's weight loss you're trying to do, Just enjoy the fact that you're getting up to work out. That's amazing. You're eating better. That's amazing. Don't fixate on the end goal of, oh well, I need to lose 10 pounds. I need to get to that. I need to get to that size. It will come. It will come, and it might take a long time to come. So while you're on that journey, enjoy it. While you're on that journey, make sure to encourage yourself. What you say to yourself is so important, and that will actually motivate you to continue on that journey. I always say, like, we all have like a tape in our mind, and depending on what's playing on that tape is how your life is gonna go. So if the tape that plays on your mind is saying, oh, you're no good, oh, this is boring, you need to get to the end, it's not gonna good. It's not good. It's not gonna good. It's not good. But if the tape that you're saying is like, you know what, you are more than a conqueror in Christ Jesus. You can do this. You are strong. You are brave. That's gonna push, and that's gonna help make the journey better and smoother. Now, if you don't know what to say to yourself and you don't know how to like encourage yourself, you know, there's affirmations out there, but I also got something for you. Trust me, don't worry. I have a free ebook that is just filled with affirmation. It has like quotes or Bible scriptures that are just going to help you get through the day. If you need just one little something to get you through that day, that process, it's there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.